Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial we are going to start Microsoft Publisher, which you can use for presentation and for some animation and some transitions. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what I need to teach you in the first step is that firstly you need to understand about some of the options and some of the names that are present there. So let me tell you before I start, there is a box which is known as click to add a title, click to add subtitle. So what I have to do, you have to be typing sort of topic name there, like global warming. And what you have to do is to type there, like for example you may type today's topic. So that is what I have typed, and there are some of the usual options which I have taught you in MS Word or MS Excel. Like for example, you have to be selecting that and going for bold option, italic option, underline option, and there is option which is known as shadow, text shadow. If you apply that, let me zoom it in a little bit so that you can see that there is sort of shadow that is being applied. And let's try to go to use strike through option. If you want to get rid of the shadow, you have to be clicking back on the same option, strike through, and there is an option which is known as character spacing. This will be bringing spacing between the characters or letters, and that is something that you may say capital letters or small letters, toggle case, capitalize each word, uppercase, lowercase, sentence case. And there you can see there are some of the colors that you can apply. For example, let me apply that. Let's try to go for this option, which is known as changing the font style. I have applied that, and there is also increasing or increase font size. You can also increase font size and decrease font size. If you want to get rid of that, if you want to bring back all of the settings you have applied, you have to be going for clear all formatting option. Click on that. Now you can see that is being applied. So these are some of the common options. Well, there is another option which is known as layout, which is present inside slides group. There are different sort of slides, like for example title slide, title and content slide, section header, two contents, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. These are some of the slides that are used for some specific purpose. Like I may be teaching you this in the coming tutorial, comparison slide. Let's go for reset. You can reset that. You can go for a new slide if you want to apply any sort of new slide, like for example comparison one. Now see, that is being applied. Well, let me apply sort of style there. Go for this option, Algerian, increase the size of that. Go for this option, change the color. And there is another option which is known as format pattern. If you click on that and click on that, now you can see whatever I applied there is being applied there too. And there is an option which is known as copy. If you want to copy that, and if you want to paste that, you can also go for this option. I may copy that, change the style and go for color, something like that. And let's try to type furthermore, or I may copy that and paste it there. So now you can see that three sort of lines are there. Let me select that, and there is an option which is known as bullet. You can also use bullet, can also apply bullets. You can also change that to align left, align right, align center. Let's try to go for justify option. You gotta be observing these two places, the starting and the ending. Go for justify. Now you can see that all of the lines are justified. If you can see, if I click there, now whatever I type is starting from the right side. If I click on this option, now whatever I type is starting from the left side. So that is what is used for sort of purpose. Go for this option, which is also used for giving space to lines. And there is another option which is known as add or remove columns. Add or remove columns. You can make 2 of the columns, 3 of the columns, and 1 of the columns. You can also change the direction of the text. See, that works. Align text. Let me type one of the lines. Select that. Align top, align middle, align bottom. So that is what is used for a sort of specific purpose. Let's try to go for convert to smart art. Go for this option. Now you can see this is being changed into sort of smart art and sort of style. This is also sort of option which you can use that, and you can convert that to sort of styles. More smart art graphics, you can go for more of them, like applying this one, going for this one. Hope you have got the idea about the first tutorial, which I have taught you some of the basic option inside PowerPoint. So that is what I have taught you. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.